Good morning, everyone. Brief update today. The focus yesterday was really on the ECB. We'll have a look at the euro in a moment. First of all, just from the first post this week, an update on dollar yen. See the weekly black line resistance, and we had a time continuation sell at that point. So we're always interested in patterns that are at weekly or monthly lines. And then overnight, having held the final daily support yesterday on a closing basis, we're now breaking down. The limit of range on a normal day is 107.42, so that's the third range deviation pivot down. So watching the close today, it's looking like it's accelerating downwards. One interesting thing is the yen strength. Even though the American stock market hasn't really done very much, it's actually gone up a little bit. There's normally a close correlation there, which is breaking down at the moment, so there's independent yen strength. Now we're looking at a 60-minute euro-dollar chart, and this candle here was during Draghi's question and answers and press conference. We got a very short-term spike when it first started, and then we accelerated and we broke through the final short-term resistance. It had been up here at 120.70. It dropped earlier on in the week, and so the reference point was 119.80. And then what people do is they take this down to the micro level when it gets very volatile or when there's news events going on. And this is a 2-minute chart. It's got the same lines on it. You can see we had this big piece of volatility. It held 119.50, which was a 120-minute level, and there was a zone at 119.50 to 41. The thing that's interesting is that once it made new highs, picked off some stops, and then retraced back, it went all the way back to 119.80, which is the breakout point, went a couple of ticks below, and we've then moved higher overnight. That's where we are now. So 119 is still the reference point, but at the moment there is no major resistance at all. Okay, I think that's about it for today.